Hello everybody, myself Professor S.V. Aradikar from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to discuss on what is Meissner effect. Meissner effect is related to the phenomenon of superconductivity. When the specimen is in the normal conducting state is described by T greater than Tc, means temperature of the specimen is maintained above the transition temperature, then the magnetic flux are penetrated through the bulk of specimen. So this is, say, the magnetizing field of a field strength H, and the specimen is there kept in the magnetizing field. Then we find that the flux are penetrated through the bulk of specimen. But when the temperature is made less than transition temperature, means the specimen is cooled below the critical temperature or transition temperature, then the flux are totally expelled from the bulk of specimen. So same specimen is there, but these magnetic flux are expelled from the specimen, bulk of the specimen, like this. So the flux are now not penetrating through the bulk of specimen. So these are the magnetic flux which are expelled from the bulk of the specimen. So statement of Meissner effect is like this: expulsion of magnetic flux from the bulk of specimen when it is cooled below transition temperature is known as Meissner effect. So simple definition of superconductivity is that it is state of zero resistivity. But this simple definition does not give us any information about the behavior of a specimen in the superconducting state. What are its magnetic properties? This idea we cannot get from the simple definition of superconductivity as state of zero resistivity. Therefore, Meissner effect is very important because it also says about the magnetic properties that are changed for the specimen when it is in the superconducting state. Now what are these changes? That the magnetic flux which were penetrating through the bulk of specimen in the normal conducting state are totally expelled from the bulk of specimen when the specimen is in the superconducting state. And therefore, if you will now increase the temperature and make it greater than transition temperature, again flux penetration start, and therefore we can say that this effect is reversible. Increase the temperature, make it greater than transition temperature, so that again the flux penetration will start. This also means that the susceptibility of the specimen is negative when it is in the superconducting state. No flux penetration itself means that the flux are totally expelled from the bulk of specimen, and therefore susceptibility, which is ratio of I by H, becomes negative for the specimen when it is in the superconducting state. This information we cannot get from the simple definition of superconductivity as a state of zero resistivity, and therefore Meissner effect is very important because it gives us information about the magnetic property that the superconductor exhibits in the superconducting state. That magnetic property is the specimen exhibits diamagnetism when it is in the superconducting state. Diamagnetism itself means that the susceptibility of the specimen is negative when it is in the superconducting state. This is how we can understand what is the Meissner effect. Thank you.